Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to add product on Shopify. So to add product on Shopify, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on product in the left hand menu. Then click on add product button. You will be taken to a page where you can enter the product title, description, price, image, and the SKU if applicable, and also inventory details. You can also start the product status to activate or draft, assign it to collection, hard tags for better search, and divine shipping option. So if it is physical item, once everything is filled out, click save and the product will be added to your store. This process is beginner friendly and flexible. You can add variant like size or color or set tax settings. You can also manage inventory in one place. So if you have many products, you can bulk import using a CSV files through the import option in the same product section. And that's it.